Look at this carefully. Most traders stare at candlesticks. Smart traders look at the tips of these trend lines. On every chart you're seeing, the colored prices on the right y-axis match the tips of these projected trend lines. And those tips represent the most likely highs and lows for the next trading day or early next week. And today is January 31st, which means we're closing one trading month and starting a brand new month next week, when breakouts and reversals happen most often. Let's start with PLTR. All major trend lines are sloping downward, which tells us PLTR is still in a downtrend channel. Under the two-layer high-low model, when trend lines slope down, we use the top purple trend line as the projected high, unless price breaks above it. The purple tip is at 148.69. That is the high, one projected high for the next trading day or early next week. Above that, 152.63, 154.77. These are higher risk breakout targets, but price must defeat 148.69 first. On the downside, 146.59, 143.59, 140.64. This creates a three-layer downside map. So PLTR remains technically weak unless it breaks above 148.69. Now let's look at Tesla. Here, the trend lines are starting to turn upward, which means we read the thick yellow trend line as resistance. The yellow tips show 437.21 as high, 446.73 as high 2. So Tesla is targeting 437 first, then potentially 446 for early next week. On the downside, 430.41, 425.15, 415.55, 408.67. This is a controlled recovery channel, not randomness. Now TGT. This stock is clearly turning upward, so once again we use the thick yellow trend line. The tips show 106.27 as high, 108.51 as high 2. Those are the projected upside levels for the next trading day or early next week. Support sits at 105.37, 104.52, 103.67, 102.07. This is a classic new month rotation structure. So this is not guessing. This is reading projected highs and lows in advance for the next trading day or early next week by tracking the tips of these color-coded trend lines. PLTR is capped at 148.69. Tesla is targeting 437 to 446. TGT is aiming for 106 to 108. And if you like this type of high-low prediction and visual analysis, make sure to subscribe to the Stock Analysis Upping YouTube channel. You can also find these tools, charts, and verified prediction accuracy at uppingstock.com.